Sunday, the 9th of July, and we're on the FTSE 100. So let's have a look at this market from last week in relation to our Sunday analysis video, and then we'll have a look at the market for the trading week ahead. Okay, so last week we were really looking at the breakdown from this whole section of price action right here. We've been going over this area for a number of weeks. You see the market has been bouncing. After we broke down, we were looking for potential pullbacks up into this level for resistance. Now the market has actually been testing that for a number of days, in fact almost every day last week. And then the only thing that I added to that going through the week was that price appeared to be squeezing. So you can see, let me just mark this in properly, the ascending triangle coming into this market. Market pushed up. What we went over on Thursday was that if we started to break through a support level that we had for the day from the 5-minute time frame, we were expecting a stronger movement down on this market. And then we could look for buys down at these levels. Market came down. We actually created a double bottom at these levels, and then we had a nice bullish bounce back up again. Okay, so for next week, what are we looking at? Well, what we're looking at are key levels of support down below and key level of resistance up above. We are basically in a range. In fact, it's better if I just put it in like this. So still that key level that we've been using for a number of weeks. You can see the market has been testing over and over and over again. And then down below, we also have those key levels of support. You can actually bring this up just a little bit, up into this section right here. So 1 and 2, these are really the key levels for next week. We can continue looking at resistance up above, support down below until we start to break. Now what we want to be careful of with this level right here is if we do start to break above, we have a very close level of resistance right here. Want to be careful that if we do break up, we're not seeing a false break, which pushes up, instantly fails, and then comes crashing back down once again. For the next level of resistance, I'd really like to see the market up into these areas right here, around about 7,420. Now, if we do see a nice strong bullish break of this level, this area becomes potential good resistance for a sell back down. Breaking of this level, resistance would then become support and a good area to watch. Now down below, this level of support has been very strong for over a week now. If we break below, it's a great area to look for potential resistance and a stronger movement down on this market, very likely towards this whole area down here at 7,220. So if we do start to break this level, I am expecting the market to come down into these levels. We have the MA200 right here, dynamic support and resistance. If we did start to see the breakdown, it's likely we would see some sort of reaction coming off of this level on the way down. But longer term, if we break below here, I'm looking for that move down into 7,220, really at a minimum. Those are the main things for next week, guys. Really 1 and 2, these are still the main zones on this market until we start to see it breaking one way or the other. If we're breaking down, I'm expecting that stronger movement down to 7,220. If we break up above, we still have that nice level of resistance up at 7,420. And this area right here would then become a great level of support as we come back down to look for a bullish bounce. Okay guys, so as always, I hope that was helpful. I hope you all have a great trading week next week. I'm James Orr, and thank you.